Honda have released a 26-second video clip titled Absolute Holeshot teasing a new motocross model, with full details to be revealed on July 31st. The video gives very little away, with quick glimpses of the bike set to the soundtrack of a motocross bike tearing round a track. Honda's 2017 CRF450R motocross bike was launched in August 2016 with the same slogan, which leads us to believe the upcoming announcement could be a new CRF250R. The 2017 CRF450R got an 11% boost in top-end power and stronger torque throughout the rev range, and a revised chassis which Honda claim increases grip. At the time of the release, the 17 CRF450R Large Project Leader, Mikio Uchiyama, said, "Our focus has been on producing a machine with exceptional engine performance, outstanding rear-wheel traction and a low center of gravity, to create a 5% improvement in acceleration on the previous model." The phrase underpinning development was absolute holeshot. With Honda using the same slogan this year, we expect similar changes to the upcoming new bike teased above. Keep your eyes peeled on July 31st for the full reveal.